Jaden, that's enough for now. Let's go.
Go! Roll tapes!
He's out.
Hey, could you?
3, 2, 1.
Can I try again? Alright, can I go? Can I try again first? Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, that's nice. Come fast toward me. Yeah. Wait. Wait, hold on, my shoe. 3, 2, 1, go. Woo! Watch out! Oh, that's fun. Oh, that was amazing. Yeah, I get one too. Oh, sick. Oh. Anyways, guys, if you don't know what this place is, welcome to the Saskatchewan mini waterfall. I believe that's what they call it, but it's a great site. You could go fishing here, actually. Give you a fun fact. You could even go up there. This is a historical train area. Trains use that a lot back in the olden days, but in the modern days today, trains don't usually come here a lot. My mom thinks that my friend who got married today is right there. So yeah, it's a great site. Here's my cousin that I was talking about. I got some cool motorcycles. Yeah, so Saskatchewan is a pretty cool place. It's that's a historical train. Watch out! Alright, make sure to go like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
An old man by
Peace.
his house.
Ah, come on!